As the Halloween season haunts its way across Oregon State University,
don't forget that beavers care for each other.
So before you creep,
crawl, or conjure your way through your Halloween adventures,
here are some frightfully good tips and tricks to support well-being.
At Halloween events, you'll see costumes of every kind.
from witches to werewolves,
Ghosts to ghouls.
And maybe a pumpkin or two.
but remember,
A costume is not an invite.
It's not an invite to ask creepy or invasive questions.
It's not an invite to touch or to stare.
or to assume someone's booking for a hookup.
and definitely not an invite to make comments about someone's body.
or cross personal boundaries.
On Halloween and always, consent is magic.
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 It must always be freely and actively given, ongoing,
Reversible,
Mutually understandable.
And informed. Or in other words,
if it's not a clear yes,
It's a spooky no.
now let's talk about over-ingestion of alcohol
or other substances.
If someone's look like a zombie,
Confused,
unresponsive, or ghostly pale,
That's not a costume.
If they're cold,
clammy,
Turning blue or gray.
breathing irregularly.
vomiting,
or seizing,
that's your cue to call 911.
Remember, you won't get in trouble for helping. Neither you nor the person in need.
can be charged with a minor in possession.
So don't ghost someone in need.
Be their hero.
not drinking or using substances, no problem.
You can still have a fantastic Halloween without the spirits.
The liquid kind, anyways.
Check out OSU's substance-free events at beav.es/Halloween for some wickedly fun options.
remember that beavers care.
Keep an eye out for each other.
And call for help if you see trouble brewing.